Selection at the trial of Pharaoh strip club owner Peter Gerace. He's charged with drug trafficking, sex trafficking, and bribing a public official. Channel 2's Dave McKinley was there in court today. He joins us now from the newsroom to tell us the type of questions potential jurors are being asked and why it may take quite a while to impanel a jury here, right, Dave?
Well, that is right, Scott. One factor may be the timing of this trial. It is expected to take 6 to 8 weeks, and that would stretch it well into the holiday season. And it could be that a lot of potential jurors might have already had travel plans, for instance, that they cannot break. Some of what they are being asked about as well has to do with what they may know about another high-profile and recently concluded trial. Potential jurors are being questioned in the same 8th-floor courtroom before the same judge where the trial of former DEA agent Joseph Bongiovanni was held, who was named as a co-defendant in the indictment against Gerace. But while all were asked what they'd heard about Bongiovanni, the actual measure to determine if they can serve is whether they can pledge to put aside whatever knowledge they may have in deciding Gerace's guilt or innocence. While there is expected to be some overlap in terms of evidence and witnesses from Bongiovanni's trial, only Gerace was accused of sex trafficking. Prosecutors allege that he distributed narcotics out of Pharaoh's, where they also say drug use among the dancers was not only rampant, but encouraged by Gerace, whom they further alleged would then exploit their addictions to coerce them into acts of prostitution, both inside and outside the club. But in correspondence to 2 on Your Side from where he's currently lodged at the Chautauqua County Jail, Gerace not only denies those allegations, but has branded those prepared to testify against him as disgruntled former employees, liars, and thieves. These would include his ex-wife Katrina Nigro, who testified in the Bongiovanni trial. He is also accused Assistant U.S. Attorney Joe Trippi of prosecutorial misconduct, alleging he was the one coercing witnesses to testify against him, lest they face prosecution themselves. Jurors were also asked if they knew any names from a list of about 400 people read aloud in court who may either be called as witnesses or whose names may just be mentioned during the trial. Now, we want to tell you that they include several prominent Western New Yorkers from political, judicial, and business circles, as well as sports celebrities. We are not identifying them at this point because we don't know in what context their names may come up, if they come up at all, during the trial. On Your Side in the newsroom, Dave McKinley, Channel 2 News.
All right, Dave, thank you very much.